Okay, so obviously I left all the packing done until the very last minute, and I have to rush and throw everything in my bag because I am headed over to Reno for the West Grand Prix. It is my first tournament back since before COVID, which by the way, I'm not going to be competing, I'm just coaching, but it is my team's like first tournament back in 2 years, so I am super excited. They're also using like the new competition rules at this event, so like you have to win each round. I'm so excited, but I'm gonna have to talk to you guys about it later because I'm gonna go throw everything in my bag and I will vlog from the tournament. See you guys there. Alright guys, we're starting with board breaking today. Mason is going up first and then Mr. Campion. We have all kinds of cool board breaks. Mason is a little nervous. This is his first competition. Let's see how he does. What happened there?
I split my foot open because I did a jump front.
How are you feeling? How'd you do?
It was fun, but it was terrifying.
He did awesome, guys. Alright, check out his scars. More scars. Okay, so how board breaking works, they are given 3 minutes, it's on that screen, and then in the 3 minutes they have to set up their board breaks, they have to break the boards and clean them all up. Getting ready and just picking out for day 2. I don't know what's happening back there, but yeah, go Kaylee. Sorry, keep going. I'm distracting you. Let's hear little kids. Let's go, little kids. Hey, do you know you can't kick head level? You got this. You can't kick head level. Oh. Here's our lovely parent crew. Parent crew, say hi. Parent crew, go parents, go parents. Woo! Okay, I am back home, and honestly, like between coaching and taking video, I got so caught up that I didn't have time to actually remember to vlog. Which, by the way, if you ever see me at a tournament, my lesson is just like, remind me to vlog. Just be like, hey, you know, like, get that vlog camera out. Anyway, I'm back at my studio. Look at this. And I had an awesome time at the tournament. My team did great. I was really impressed with how well they did, actually. For most of our students, it was their very first tournament ever, so like they got all the nerves out. Obviously not everybody won. That's just part of, you know, competition. I didn't always win, and sometimes it really hurt to not win, but other times it feels really good to earn that gold medal or just do a performance that you are proud of. So I am back at my studio and just gonna be teaching a class here pretty soon. I really loved the new rules, by the way. I don't know if you guys have tried using them or not yet, but tell me what you think about the new rules in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts. You're gonna start seeing a lot more vlogs being posted up on this channel because we have nationals here in Salt Lake City, Utah in July. So I'm just gonna be sharing like a whole bunch of training, and that's pretty much it. I will see you guys all in the next video, and thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and find me on Instagram at Black Belt Samery. See you guys.